Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Mailgun for Sales Outreach CRM Tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, access the Mailgun website. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information in the registration form. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Domain section in the dashboard. Click on the Add Domain button. Enter your domain name in the designated field. Choose the appropriate options for your use case. Mailgun will provide DNS records for verification. Go to your domain registrar and log into your account. Locate the DNS management settings. Add the provided DNS records to your domain. Save the changes and return to Mailgun. Click on the Validate button to confirm your DNS setup. Once validated, navigate to the API Keys section. Generate an API key by clicking on the Create API Key button. Label the API key for easier identification. Copy the generated API key for future use. Now, head to your Sales Outreach CRM. Access the Settings or Integrations section. Look for Mailgun or email integration options. Enter the Mailgun API key in the specified field. Input the Mailgun domain you added earlier. Save the changes to connect your Mailgun account. Test the integration to ensure everything works smoothly. Start using Mailgun for your email outreach campaigns. Monitor analytics in the Mailgun dashboard to track performance. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.